Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a baby deer lying down. So here you can see that I'm using my pencil to draw the baby deer. I'm starting with its big head. Here's its mouth. And this is its tiny nose. It has big eyes. Now let's draw its ear. It has tiny horn. This is another ear and another horn. Its head is completed. Now let's draw its body. Here's its tiny tail. Uh-oh. This is not perfect. Okay, now it's looking good. Here's its leg. Here's another one. And this is the other one. And I'm using my black pen to do the outline. Let's clean all the pencil marks. I'm using my pencil to draw some body pattern. I'm starting coloring it with my brown pen. For its horns, I'm using black pen. Now I'm using my pencil again. Inside its ears, I'm using pink color. For its tail, I'm using orange color. I'm using the same orange color in its body also. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.